Hello everyone, I am Ishmael Khan from mcqslearn.com. This video is one of the videos from Histology series. This video includes some important MCQs from chapter Immune System. I recommend to practice complete series in chapter-wise order to learn complete course. You should download free all-in-one courses app and ebook for quick learning by clicking URLs in description. Now we start our learning session from Immune System MCQ number 1. The small, roughly spherical masses formed by the aggregation of the lymphocytes named as option A, lymphoid organs, option B, lymphatic nodules only, option C, lymphoid follicles and lymphatic nodules, and option D, lymphoid follicles only. The correct answer is option C, which is lymphoid follicles and lymphatic nodules. MCQ number 2. The adaptive immune system depends on option A, B lymphocytes, option A, antigens, option C, T lymphocytes, and option D, all of others. The correct answer is option D, which is all of others. MCQ number 3. The host defense system in a human body is called option A, circulatory system, option B, vascular system, option C, immune system, and option D, blood. The correct answer is option C, which is immune system. MCQ number 4. The type of the T lymphocytes having the ability to destroy the virus infected cells, carcinoma cells, and foreign cells named as option A, killing cells, option B, natural killer cells, option C, active cells, and option D, attacking cells. The correct answer is option B, which is natural killer cells. MCQ number 5. The only lymphoid organ that is interposed in the blood circulation called as option A, thymus, option B, liver, option C, spleen, and option D, tonsils. The correct answer is option C, which is spleen. MCQ number 6. The lymphoid organ that has a role in the production of the T lymphocytes named as option A, lymphoid follicles, option B, thymus, option C, tonsils, and option D, spleen. The correct answer is option B, which is thymus. MCQ number 7. The largest lymphoid organ in the body is called as option A, spleen, option B, liver, option C, thymus, and option D, tonsils. The correct answer is option A, which is spleen. MCQ number 8. The lymphoid tissues that have an aggregation of the lymphocytes in the form of a small, roughly spherical masses termed as option A, nodular lymphoid tissues, option B, lymphoid organs, option C, diffuse lymphoid tissues, and option D, lymph follicles. The correct answer is option A, which is nodular lymphoid tissues. MCQ number 9. The antibody is regarded as a option A, glycoprotein, option B, carbohydrate, option C, glycolipid, and option D, sugar. The correct answer is option A, which is glycoprotein. MCQ number 10. The immunity forms the second line of a defense against the foreign potentially harmful agents called as option A, non-specific immune system, option B, natural immune system, option C, all of others, and option D, innate immune system. The correct answer is option C, which is all of others. MCQ number 11. In the innate immune system, the response is generally option A, hormonal components, option B, cell mediated, option C, specific, and option D, non-specific. The correct answer is option D, which is non-specific. MCQ number 12. The thymus is located in the option A, axonoplasm, option B, superior mediastinum, option C, none, and option D, inferior mediastinum. The correct answer is option B, which is superior mediastinum. Before proceeding to the next MCQ, I advise you to download and enjoy all-in-one courses app, a free interactive app developed by MCQs Learn for quick learning. This app includes more than 300,000 MCQs, quizzes, flashcards and polls for histology, microbiology, biochemistry, cell biology, molecular biology and zoology, etc. I also advise you to subscribe for the premium version to access all features like unlimited honey jars, ads-free quizzes, details answer key and view complete analytics. You may cancel the subscription during the trial period. Please read details in description to download app from iOS and Android URLs. Thank you. Let's go to the next MCQ. MCQ number 13. The lymphoid tissues with the loose distribution of the lymphoids known as option A. Nodular lymphoid tissues, option B. Diffuse lymphoid tissues, option C. Lymph follicle and option D. Lymphoid organs. The correct answer is option B, which is diffuse lymphoid tissues. MCQ number 14. The adaptive immune system cooperates with option A. Cell-mediated immune responses, option B. Hormonal immune responses, option C. Cellular responses and option D. All of others. The correct answer is option D, which is all of others. MCQ number 15. The portion of the antigen on which the antibody binds itself called as option A. Epitope, option B. Binding site, option C. Active site and option D. Epimer. The correct answer is option A, which is epitope. To practice all MCQs from all chapters, I advise you to download free all-in-one courses app and ebook for quick learning from URLs in the description of this video. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos for all courses related to your major. Thank you for watching this video and take care.